Jumpy Kids! ABC songs.
I is for alligator.
Alligator.
B is for bear.
Bear.
C is for cat.
Cat.
D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant.
Elephant.
F is for flamingo.
For flamingo.
G is for giraffe.
Giraffe.
H is for hippo. Hippo.
I is for iguana. A is for jaguar. Jaguar.
K is for kangaroo.
Cool kangaroo.
L is for lion.
Lion.
M is for monkey.
Monkey.
N is for narwhal.
Narwhal.
O is for owl.
Ow.
P is for penguin.
Penguin.
Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rhino.
Rhino.
S is for snake.
T is for turtle. Turtle.
U is for unicorn.
Unicorn.
V is for vulture.
Vulture.
W is for whale.
Whale. X is for X-ray fish.
X-ray fish.
Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra.
Zebra. Letters and sounds from A to Z. Learning with animals, fun as can be. Letters and sounds from A to Z. Learning with animals, fun as can be.
Jumpy Kids! Tap subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a fun moment.